Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on this video on 8 free certification courses provided by Accenture on the learning platform FutureLearn. May you are familiar with FutureLearn, but it's first time when I am suggesting the courses on this platform. But firstly, I introduce Accenture to you. Accenture is one of the most vulnerable and world-leading company in consultancy and digital marketing, also 34th in Fortune 500 companies. So, the certificate provided by it makes your resume more impressive. Without any further delays, let's get started. And here is the courses. There are 8 courses provided by Accenture freely on FutureLearn, and here are the first is digital skills, second is artificial intelligence, and third is digital marketing. Here is fourth digital skills mobiles, digital skills retail, digital skills social media. Most of the courses are related to marketing. Here is the seventh digital skills user experience and digital skills web analytics. You can see all the courses are mostly related to the marketing. So I am going to register one of the shortest course in this, and this course is only of 2 hours, and also there are free certificate for this. And here is what you learn in this course, what topics will cover. The meaning of digital, how digital is integrated into our life, and these are the course dates when you start this course. Here join today option, and also different dates for joining these courses. What you will achieve in this course, describe the meaning of term digital, demonstrate and other things. Who is the course for? This course is for all beginners and intermediates, all can access this course. It is very basic level course. You can see instructor and also reviews from the learners. It is a best course for you. If you are new in marketing, so here how you sign up. It is little bit different from other courses. Here you have to put your name, then is, email address, and then you have to create a password. Now here it sends a message on your Gmail, so here you have to confirm your email, and then when you confirm the email, then you are easily accessible on FutureLearn platform. Here my email is confirmed, and I am going to this access this course digital skills, and here is the course contents. Getting started, what is in the course, you can see that's much amount of information they put in only 1 hour. So you can think how the course is. Now here is the progress. If you have any query about this, you can interact me on Instagram. Thanks for watching friends.